Good morning, students. This is B.N. Jha welcomes you in the e-learning program of Modern English School. We have just finished our online test examinations conducted by the school, and we got a lot of experience during the examination. I hope you participated in the examination and secured good marks. Let us resume to our syllabus. Students, we were learning about synthetic fiber, and today's topic is characteristics of synthetic fiber. Students, synthetic fibers play important role in our life and help the human being to meet the requirement of clothes in different ways. Let us know about some characteristic feature of synthetic fibers. The first characteristic feature is high tensile strength. The most important property of synthetic fiber is that they are very strong. They have capacity to bear load. Tensile strength means capacity of bearing load. So in comparison to the natural fiber, synthetic fibers are more tensile. They are very strong. The second property is low water absorption. Most of the synthetic fibers are hydrophobic. That means synthetic fibers do not absorb water. Sometimes, and some synthetic fiber absorbs very little amount of water, due to which a bed cloth of synthetic fiber dries out rapidly. On the other hand, a bed cloth of natural fiber does not dry quickly. It takes long time. For example, polyester, nylon, terylene, dacron, rayon, these synthetic fibers are hydrophobic. They repel water. They do not absorb water. And this is because they dries out rapidly. The third characteristic of synthetic fiber is good elasticity. Students, synthetic fiber are fairly elastic. They are flexible. They can be stressed or compressed to some extent. And on releasing force, they regain their original shape and size. For example, socks made of synthetic fiber, nylon, and socks regains its original shape and size even if they are repeatedly stressed, this quality is called elasticity. So synthetic fibers are good elastic. They are fairly elastic. They can be stressed, and when force is released, they can regain its original shape and size. So next property is wrinkle resistant. Most of the synthetic fibers are wrinkle resistant, and they keeps permanent crease. They do not get crumpled easily during washing or wearing, and so they are called wrinkle resistant. The next characteristic is moth resistant. Students, synthetic fibers are not attacked by moths and moths. They are safe from moths and moths. Moths and moths do not cause harm to synthetic fibers, and so synthetic fibers are said moth resistant. The next characteristic is lightness and inertness. Synthetic fibers are light-weighted, and synthetic fibers do not behave with chemicals. They do not react with chemicals. They do not take part in chemical reactions. So they are mostly inert. And the last characteristic is synthetic fibers are abrasion resistant. Abrasion resistance means they are durable. They last for long time. On the basis of these characteristics, we find synthetic fibers are much more useful in the field of production of fabrics and applicable to produce different types of dresses, bed sheets, curtains, and many other things. So students, next day we will discuss about the disadvantages of synthetic fibers. Thank you.